So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy stock options here in Wealthsimple inside of the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go down to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass on the bottom bar. Then once you're here, what I want you to do is scroll all the way down to where it says trending categories and press on options right here. So once you press on options, you have 855 stocks to select from. You can either sort it by popularity, you can sort it by alphabetically, average volume, you name it. So if you wanted to, for example, buy stock options of Tesla, just press on Tesla. Now at the top it says, I believe that Tesla will rise, and that rise is underlined by July 7th. That is also underlined. So if you want to change it from a call to a put option or a put to a call option, simply just press on rise right here, and you can go from a call option, which means it'll rise, or you can select a put option, which means it'll fall. So if I wanted to go back to a call option, there you go. Now if you wanted to select whatever date you think it's going to be going up or down by, press on July 7th, and you can basically play around with it. July 7th, July 14th, July 21st, basically in increments of 7 days. So if you wanted to do an option for July 14th, for example, you can press that. And also too, now you can go ahead and select whatever option you think is best. So if you wanted to use this option right here, this strike price right here, $275 USD, I can press on that. Simply just press buy, and that is how you guys can buy a call option or a put option, or whatever kind of option up here in Wealthsimple inside of the Wealthsimple mobile application. I hope this video helps.